So here's how to change VPN to other country on Netflix. Before we start, you can click on my link down in the description to try out Pure VPN for free. Let's start off by going to Netflix. Once you're in the home page, you'll be able to see all the content available here are specific to your region. Now, open the Pure VPN application on your PC. Here, tap on the location as shown to change the location of your VPN, for example, Canada. Then, tap on Connect. Your device is now successfully connected to this server. After that, go back and refresh the Netflix page. You will now get access to Canada's Netflix library with many movies, shows, and originals not available in other countries. This way, you can easily access different countries' libraries on Netflix using Pure VPN. Following these steps, you can easily change VPN to other country on Netflix.